Welcome back to Accurate One. In this session, we're going to write our first program in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing that you can see in Visual Studio Code is an empty page or welcome page. So this one is the empty page. So you can see some shortcuts here. You can use them easily. In the left sidebar, you can see Explorer, Search, Source Control, and Run and Debug. Okay. In the Explorer, you can manage your files and folders. So when you move your cursor in this sidebar, 4 icons appears. First one is New File. Second one is New Folder. Third one is Refresh Explorer. So when you create files or folder out of Visual Studio Code, you can refresh it here that they can appears in your Explorer. The first one is Collapse. Okay, so the Collapse button collapse all the open folders in your Explorer. The second one is the search bar. You can search in your project. The third one is the source control. We will talk about this one in the next lessons. And the fourth one is run and debug. You can configure the run and debug process in your application. Let's get back to Explorer. So here we're gonna create our first Python program by clicking on the new file button. You can write the name of your file like session 2, and you need to know that every Python file ends with .py. So I write .py here. Now you can see that my system detects this file as a Python file. So I press enter, and now I can write my first Python program. The first thing that you can do in any programming language is that to write hello world in that programming language. Now here I'm gonna write hello world in Python. So first I write print, open and close parentheses. In the parentheses I write single quote or double quotation. Here it is. This one is single quotation. I write hello world. Okay. Now I can run my application. For running this application or this file, I move my cursor to the run button. I press this one, and you can see the output here. Hello world. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about variables and their definitions. See you then.